Welcome back to Barefoot Roots. Today, we're gonna finish the pots. If you have some used tea bags, you can get those. The weird part about them is that when you cut them, it doesn't open in the middle. It opens on the sides. So you might want to have to open it a little bit, and then put a few seeds, 2 or 3 of them. I might do 3. Now I'll let it sit there until I get this full.
You'll see that Aaliyah's been helping me garden for a few years now, and she loves it, and she's not afraid to get out there and get dirty, and that's a great thing about it. And she's really proud of the stuff that she grows. And as we go through this year, we're going to take you all the way through storing the food that you've grown, as far as how to can it, how to freeze it, and best of all, just how to eat it.
Now there you have
the peppers, the sweet bell peppers.
Sweet bell peppers with water and soil. That's what we did. We got some soil in the bucket, and then we poured water in it, and then I mixed it some, and for these we just they're just used ones, and
it's just all good for your soil, and it helps your plants grow. So always remember that. And the coffee grounds we use, well, we use coffee anyway, because we like a lot of coffee around here.
Grandma needs coffee for the morning.
So, it's just a matter of tearing the top off of the coffee pod and dumping it out. It's really simple.
And also, it's kind of weird because you usually are like, oh, now it's opened. But then it opens like that, and it's really weird. And then you open it on the one side. So you end up opening it on the side. And also it kind of looks like meat. Maybe I'll do 2 seeds this time.
Well, we make our own iced tea as well, so we just save the bags and use those. So no waste, and it's all good for your soil once you get it in the garden. Okay, well, thanks for watching.
Bye.